There are gloves, and then there are special gloves. Let's go. So I went into the garage looking for this box. Here it is. Oh, oh, okay. Are you ready? Let's open this. We are starting off the playoffs. Again, my reveal. Boy, there's a lot of dust on that. Oh, yes. Do you see how I've done this? Okay, there it is. Touch the cup. Uses special gloves. Oh, look at that. Yep, last seen last year. You don't touch the cup until you earn it. There it is. I'll take it out of the box. Oh, there it is. Beautiful Stanley Cup from last year. I'll put it on the stand. And there it is. Woo, in all its glory for this season. All right, let's make some snacks.